Most people like to see their name in print, especially when it appears on a list of contributors to a worthwhile organization. How would you go about creating a list like this? It's easy with a recognition roster report. If you just want a list of donors in a specified time period, you can run the report without further ado. But if you want to sort the report by giving level, you need to update giving levels first. Let's say we want to generate a list of all donors to our community theater for the current season, which coincides with our fiscal year. And we want to recognize contributors at the following levels. Friends gave between $1 and $99. Supporters gave between $100 and $499. And patrons gave $500 or more. If we're going to use giving levels, we need to check the current settings and update our database records. To work with giving levels, we click the Giving Levels button on the Administration tab. Let's take a closer look. It looks like our giving level ranges are just the way we want them. And we've told ResultsPlus we want to calculate giving levels based on the current fiscal year. Now we just have to click Update Levels Now to make sure the giving levels in our constituent records are up to date. Now we're ready to run the Recognition Roster Report. Open the Performance tab and click Run Reports. On the Reports menu, select Roster. Then choose the Recognition Roster Report. Notice the report options listed on the right. For the start and end dates, we'll enter our fiscal year start and end dates. In the Group By option, we'll select Giving Level. For Include Information, we'll choose Name Only. We'll also include unposted gifts, just to make sure our information is current. Now we're ready to run the report. We'll choose to view it in the Preview window. Note that patrons, our high-end donors, are listed first, followed by supporters, then friends. You can print the report as is, or export it to another format for editing. On the Export Report screen, you tell ResultsPlus where to save the export file, what file name to use, and what format to save it in. Click the drop-down arrow in the Save In field, then navigate to the location in which you want to store the report. To change the file name, enter the new name in the File Name field. In this tutorial, we're going to export the report in an editable Microsoft Word format, RTF. We'll click the drop-down arrow in the Save As Type field. Then we'll choose the second Word option and click Save. Once you've named and saved your Word document, you can massage the information into any format you'd like. When you're done, your list of donors might look something like this. This completes the tutorial on printing a list of donors for recognition.